Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, with your tailgate step, side view, mud flaps on the rear and front, a nice black gripped running board, side view camera with blind spot detection, turn light indicated, and spotlight mirrors. And moving to the front, we got that nice black hood deflector with recovery hooks, front park sensing, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats with a carpet interior. We got cup holders and storage, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, and a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front. We have our auto stop, auto start lights with spotlights and parking brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 9.7 kilometers. We got this lovely leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and menu, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have my view, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select that is collapsible, tons of storage outlets, cup holders. Got your center console here with even more storage. We do get our drive modes, rear locking diff and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist with heated front seats, dual climate, some outlets on the side here, upper and lower storage on the dash, with a nice powered rear window opener. We also do get our park sensing right here that you can turn on or off, traction and hazards with a nice 360 view of your vehicle, which you can go for different camera angles. Look in here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, and Bluetooth with Sirius XM capabilities. Got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting. Any apps you may download will show up here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB53679, and you can head on in to PG Ford or give us a call.